Hi, welcome to another edition of Snom TV, and I have another unboxing for you again today. This time we're going to take a closer look at the A190 Snom DECT headset. It's for use in multi-cell environments, so it's compatible with the M900 base station, with the M700 base station, and with the single cell M300 base station too. And let's have a look at what's in the box. So here we have a nice Snom quick start guide in here. So you're up and running in no time at all. And here we have the charging station here. Here's the plug, which can be fitted in, I think, just here at the back. Oh no, here it is. Yeah, I see. So the cable goes in underneath. So it's a nice tidy finish there. So the cable is well tucked away inside the charging station. And here we can see the headset itself. So it's mono-aural. And if I take this bit of plastic off here, and we can have a nice look at the actual microphone itself, which is easily adjustable here for the right position when you're talking. And as you can see, it's got a little button on the side here where you can receive calls. Now, the A190 headset, it has two separate modes of operation. You can either use it paired with a Snom phone. Alternatively, you can just use it directly paired with the base station, so either the M900, M700 or M300 single cell, as I mentioned earlier. And this would have a range of anywhere up to 50 meters if you're indoors. And if you're outdoors, well, maybe you can get it up to around about 300 meters, so across very wide areas for picking up calls. And yeah, so it's got the microphone also has echo cancellation, so you're guaranteed a nice level of sound quality, voice quality when you're actually in a call. And it's got an LED status indicator on the side here, so you'll see whether or not you're in a call or not. That means other people will be able to see that too, so they won't interrupt you if you're in the middle of a call. And yeah, so it's, as I mentioned before, it's got around 7 hours of talk time. So that's enough to cover most shifts, I would imagine. And yeah, you can recharge it simply by placing it on its charging station right here. So I think that slots in like that, basically, when it's unpacked. Okay, so if you're interested in finding out more about the Snom A190, then please visit our website at www.snom.com. You can find the data sheet and some other information about the headset there, including everything else about the Snom DECT Revolution and all of our other products as well. Feel free to put your comments below here in the field below, and we'll try and answer them all, I promise. Also, we appreciate your likes and any follows that we get. So thank you very much for joining us on Snom TV, and we hope to see you again soon. Thank you.